Hello students, how are you? Again I come with the summary of chapter number 4 of the Beehive book, A Truly Beautiful Mind. This is a story of one of the greatest scientists of all times, Mr. Albert Einstein. The story depicts him as a human being, a fairly ordinary person who had his likes and dislikes and his streaks of rebellion and his problems. The chapter deals with two main characters. One is Albert Einstein. Of course, we all know that he is a world famous scientist and a peace activist. And second, Mileva Maric, who is Albert's first wife and the mother of his two sons. Now I begin with the summary. Albert Einstein was born on 14 March 1879 in the German city of Ulm. His mother thought Albert was a freak because his head seemed much too large. His classmates called him Brother Boring because he did not know what to do with them. So he played all by himself much of the time. His headmistress thought that Einstein was stupid and would never succeed in life, but she was wrong. Einstein began to play the violin at the age of 6. Later, he became a gifted amateur violinist, maintaining his skill throughout his life. Einstein scored good marks in almost all the subjects in school, but he hated the school's regimentation and so often clashed with his teachers. He therefore withdrew from school. After finishing school, he decided to study at a university in Zurich. He became interested in a fellow student, Mileva Maric, a young Serb with whom he shared a common interest in Philistines. In 1900, Albert, after graduation, worked as teaching assistant, gave private lessons, and finally secured a job in 1902 as a technical expert in the patent office in Bern. His job was to access other people's inventions, but he secretly developed his own ideas. He published his paper on special theory of relativity, according to which time and distance are not absolute. Albert married Mileva in 1903 and they divorced in 1919. In 1915, he published his general theory of relativity, which provided a new interpretation to gravity. A solar eclipse in 1919 proved it was accurate. Einstein had accurately calculated in advance the extent to which light would be deflected through the sun's gravitational field. Einstein was awarded a Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. The discovery of nuclear fission in Berlin made the world fearful of the Nazis building an atomic bomb. Einstein wrote a letter to Franklin Roosevelt warning him about the danger of a nuclear bomb. The dropping of nuclear bombs on Nagasaki and Hiroshima deeply shook Einstein. He worked for ending of arms. Build up in the world, and even promoted the idea of a world government. He was celebrated as a visionary and world citizen. Einstein died at the age of 76 in 1955. Thank you.